this is how easy it is to remove this drive shaft. You don't have to take these bolts off. This holds this frame in place. So all you have to do is just give it a whack and pull it out. And this is how you remove drive shaft. We're going to change this damaged boot here. We're going to change both. We're going to give this a good clean, and this will be good to go. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace these rubber boots on the drive shaft. This is for Mitsubishi L200. As you can see, this one is completely broken and the grease is leaking out and water is getting in, water and dust, which eventually will ruin the CV joint if you continue driving with this like that. So we're going to open these clips up, and then we're going to probably cut this one out, and then I might save this one, or I might just slide it out. Anyway, we're going to be replacing both, and these are the two part numbers. You've got ADC58161 and ADM58151. These are blueprint, of course. You see me using blueprint and Febi a lot. They're actually one of my favorite brands. They come with 3-year warranty and they're OE matching, and just a fraction of the price of what you will pay for a genuine part. So yeah, without any further ado, let's not waste any time. Let's get started. As I said, I'm gonna start cutting these up, and then we're gonna take the CV out and then install these two. Now let's see what comes in these kits. This is the yellow label here, so this is the longer one of the two, so this is going to be for this side, and this one is going to be for the side towards the transmission. Also, you've got all the clamps and CV grease. Same here. So that's it, some instructions which we're not gonna need, of course. We're men, we don't need to read instructions. So yeah, let's get started. Let's assemble these CV joints and this drive shaft.